In this video, I'm going to practically show you how you can upload your video on YouTube with your smartphone. We are going to learn how you can make your video private, how you can make it public, how you can make it unlisted so that it's only those that you share your URL link with that will have access to your video. We are going to also learn how you can schedule your video so that it can go live or it can go public on a specific date and time. We are also going to learn how you can upload custom thumbnail on your videos on YouTube, how you can also add tags and description to your video. But before we go into the practical aspect of this video, I am Ijaperigang the Mom on Point. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will get notification on our next video. So let's go there. Alright, there are several ways that you can use to upload your video content on YouTube. You can either just go to your YouTube app on your phone and click on this video, or you can equally and just pick one, or you can equally just go to your Google Chrome or any browser of your choice, go to sign in with your Gmail account to youtube.com and you upload. When you come here, you can either upload from here, this angle, you can upload from here, or you can just come directly to this place and go to your channel and upload from there. There are different ways that you can use to upload your video on YouTube. So let me say I want to upload it directly from here, or rather let me just go to my channel and upload from there. So I will go to my channel. Good. So this is my channel here. I'm zooming it so that you see it very well. I'll click on upload. When I click on upload, it will take me to my gallery where I will pick what I want to do. So especially when you want to edit it and you are using mobile phone, it's always better when you go to your channel, because going to your channel will enable you have access to doing a lot of things at the same time. You'll be able to add your custom thumbnail, you add description and so many other things from your mobile phone directly from your channel. But if you use your app, the YouTube app, to upload, you have to come back to your channel to do some of the editing. So for instance, maybe you just want to upload a quick video, you can use your app. But if you want the one that will allow you to edit and or maybe to add custom thumbnail, add tags and other things, you need to come to your channel for that. I'll click on upload and then go to my document to choose the particular video that I want to upload on YouTube. So if you are using a system, you can actually just drag and drop, but if you are using a phone, you have to go to your... Okay, let me say I'm using this one, and it has started uploading. So while it's uploading, that's the advantage of coming to your channel before you upload your video. It gives you access to put in the description, the tags, the title of the video. You can as well make it public or make it private. So as you can see it right here, let me zoom it. Here is uploading just 2%. Depends on your network. So right here I can input the title of this video. So how to edit your video with your smartphone. All right, then the description, I will say this video will practically show you how to edit your video with your smartphone like a pro. Oh, right. It's okay like this. So here I can put in the tags. So the tags are the things that will help YouTube to show your videos to viewers, maybe people that are searching for a particular subject. So you that have tags that has this question that or the question or what the person is searching for, the tags will help them to show the tags. Sorry, the tags will show YouTube will show the tags, or YouTube will show your video to people that are searching. So it helps the searchers to get you to YouTube. So let's say now here I will put smartphone, good. Then what next? Edit. Then I'll put mobile phone. Then the next thing I will add also is cut, trim, add text. What more should I add? YouTube videos, YouTube channel. You can add as much as you want, as much as you can, except maybe if later if YouTube decide to shorten it, or to say it's only 5 or 10 tags you can add. So right here is public, private, and so on and so forth. Here if you click on this place, it will show you different things you can do. That's about privacy of YouTube. If you leave it on public, that means immediately your video upload, it will go public. Then this unlisted will enable you to have control over your video. Like when I started earlier online, I don't have a website. So what I do is to train my students on, if I want to train my students that, especially my paid program, I upload my video on YouTube and put it on unlisted. By so doing, it's only those that have the URL link to the video that will be able to watch it. So when I put it private, I have a lot of videos on YouTube, but most of them are private. Maybe my kids playing or some things that I want to keep memory, I will just keep it private. Nobody will be able to watch it except me. Then this schedule, you can schedule your video. You can decide to play, maybe you want to travel, or there's something you want to do, or you don't have time. You can actually create a lot of content and schedule it. You schedule the time, the date, and everything you need to do. So for the sake of this video, I want to leave it public, but mostly sometimes if I'm uploading, I will leave it private, so that I will finish editing and everything before. If I feel that it's okay, then I will make it public. So that is that about the policy. Then this add playlist. This playlist is videos. Maybe if you have been watching YouTube, you discover that if you are watching a particular channel, a particular video, more video will start coming up. So this is what playlist does. So like here, these are my playlists, I've added them. So in case you have, but you can only do this if you have more than one video, of course. So what you need to do, if you want to add, you can add new here. You click here to add new playlist, but I'm not adding new now. I just want to add the ones that I have listed already on YouTube. So all I need to do is to click the particular one I want to add to playlist, so that anybody that is watching this video will be able to watch more of my videos. So since I'm talking about editing, I want to add how to open Gmail account to it. I want to add how to create beautiful thumbnail. I want to add how to start YouTube channel. Yes, I want to add how to 5 steps to carving out a niche. Then I want to add how to film your video. I want to add top 7 internet business you can start from home. and so on and so forth. So that is why, because I know anybody that is talking about editing video, maybe the person is probably either the person is, I want to learn more about YouTube channel and so on and so forth. So this is another thing that will help you get more views on YouTube. So you need to add to your playlist. So our video is still uploading. While our video is uploading here, in this place you can see custom video thumbnail. So normally, automatically, the moment you upload your video, YouTube will give you will just give you three different thumbnail on for your video. So you pick one. But again, mostly you might not like the place that they pick, so you can actually add your own custom thumbnail. And if you don't know how to create your custom thumbnail, in the link in the description of this video, I will drop a link. There's a link to how you can create a custom thumbnail. I've even added to the playlist here how you can add a custom thumbnail on your video on YouTube. So here I can click custom thumbnail. It will bring me here to documents. So I'll go to gallery, my custom thumbnail. Okay, here is it. I've designed one. I'll pick this one. So mostly if you do this, I just decided to do it so that you will see, because mostly if you have the same app that you use in adding a custom thumbnail, most of the time if you do it the first time it will reject, but you do it again. Or another way you can do it, you can just upload your video without any custom thumbnail, then you now switch to another app. Maybe you use Chrome to upload your video, then you can go to YouTube app to upload your custom thumbnail if custom thumbnail is giving you problem. So that is that about uploading your video on YouTube. Another thing you can note also is here, okay, this translation. If you want, let me zoom it closer. So if you want here, this translation, if you want your video to be translated to English, you can click on translation and your video will be translated. As you are speaking, the video will be translated, the word will be showing. So in case if you have a different diction or your accent is different, then you can translate your video. And again, like me, most of the times here, after I put a short description of the video, I always come down here to add my social media link or add the link to some of my videos. Like here in this video, I've talked about custom thumbnail. Even after adding the how to create custom thumbnail on my playlist, I still put link to how to create a custom thumbnail on your playlist, on your video. Like I can just minimize this and add it to that, and that is all I do. So because of that, so that anybody that is watching my video will also have access. Maybe if YouTube, sometimes they might not show the playlist, maybe they might not show the particular one the person really wants. So I will ensure that in the description of my video the playlist is there. And another thing again, if your video is uploading, always, as you can see here, keep this page open until it's done, because if you leave this page and go and come back again, YouTube might, as everything will be wiped away. Most of the times you have to start it all over again. So I hope you find this video helpful, because please, if you do well to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so that you get notification for more of our video. Please, if you have any questions concerning this video or a particular business or anything you want to learn with your smartphone or about online business, you can go ahead and ask questions in the comment of this video. In this video again, I drop a link to how you can say publish your book like a pro. I have a lot of books. I'm 3-time Amazon best-selling author. I drop a link here where you can get access to my profile on Amazon and buy the book, or you can actually chat me up directly on WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this video as well, so that you will be able to chat me up and I'll send the book to you via WhatsApp or via email. So thank you so much. So after uploading this video is coming up, the next thing you do is, as you can see, it's 52%. So if I should wait, it will take us more time. So after everything and it's done, it will process it and you click on publish, and that is all. So I hope you find it helpful, and I hope to see you in our next video. So bye.